final project of the week is a 2019 Toyota Tundra with some scary orange peel. Stick around. Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction. What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. My name's Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So Flawless Touch had the vehicle come in at the beginning of the week, and Stan told me that there was a little bit of orange peel in the vehicle, but he might not bother with it. But by the end of the week, we were checking it out, and we realized that the vehicle had been repainted in a couple of spots. So the main focus was the front passenger fender, and once I looked at it, I could tell that that was definitely aftermarket respray, and you could see the color differentiation between a piece of the front bumper and that fender. Now, most of the time, plastics and metals, the color is going to differentiate a little bit, but once I realized that it had been repainted, you really knew that was the cause for that extreme color difference. So we gauged the paint. Typically a Toyota might be between 4 and 5 mil thick. This was reading about 7. So that was just even more indication that it had been repainted. Once I stepped back and we were going to do a little bit more research and diving into the vehicle, I saw down the driver's side that the bed side was horrendous when it came to the finish. So I couldn't see any color differentiation from where I was, but you could see the orange peel, the texture, and a few ripples in the paint. So we gauged that, and it was reading between 9 and 11 mil thick. And you knew that that had been repainted for sure. So we went ahead and contacted the owner, let him know what was going on, and I wet sanded the panels down to remove the majority of the orange peel from the most visible areas so that the eye didn't go straight to it. So didn't have time to chop it all the way down just because of the time frame, but we were able to make it look a lot better than it was before. To my private clients, if you need any work done to your vehicle, you can find us at 706 Hope Mills Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And if you're out of town, you can bring your vehicle into us on the weekend and pick it up the next weekend. And if you're within an hour radius of us, we can easily come and pick it up ourselves. And if you're too far away, we can help you arrange transport to have your vehicle dropped off to us at our location. And to all my paint correctors, these vehicles are all over the place and they need help, and the owners just want to get them right, just like this Toyota Tundra owner. So if you're looking to learn hands-on on how to do wet sanding, you can check out the training program and the itinerary at the website below. And we will see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.